In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Hugo installed on your machine. In this case, Hugo for Windows. It's going to be a little bit different on the Mac or on Linux. I'm only going to show in this video how to do it on Windows. So first you want to come to the landing page, go down to the install section, click on Hugo for Windows. It will download the program. And it doesn't have a Windows installer, so it's a little more tricky to get it installed, but basically you want to open the archive up, and you can see here the program is right here. And what we want to do is we want to copy it and then come over to the C drive, and this will work on Windows 10 as well, and then into the Windows directory. In fact, it's probably better right here. If I right click on the Windows, I do paste, it's probably going to say that I need permission because you need administrative permissions to use this, put things in this directory, but you'll need that. And then once in there, if I go down and look for Hugo, well, here we see the one I already put in here, so I'm going to delete that. That won't be there. And here's the one we just pasted. And what I do need to do is I do need to rename it. And instead of the long name that's there, I'm just going to call it Hugo. Alright, so at this point then, you're going to want to install the Atom editor.